Wow, I didn't realize I had started. So, I'm always teasing other people about doing that. But here's to your health. Here's to my health. So, today is day one. It's halfway through the day of my new fasting cleansing water. And so this is what I've just released, and I've never done this before on camera, so I wanted to make sure that I do. Good, good, good. So as you saw, that was just a little less than a pint. And so I've been consuming all day everything that I release. And so because, see, I want to really work on this right here. And this is from consuming too much gluten and not taking care of myself. And yes, I know I've already reported on my sensitivity and my body's reaction to gluten. So that's the main cause of why I'm doing this particular cleanse. Although I love just feeling better as a result of being on the cleanse, and so there's no problems, or I'm really looking forward to it. Let me say it like that. I'm really looking forward to being able to clean my body out and to restart my system. I had um, about 6 weeks of being off of my regular schedule, and so I kind of ate a little bit of everything and didn't do as I normally do, as I know I should do, as my body requires. And so I have now coming back to myself and my sensitivities, and wanting to clean my body out so that I present my best self to the world. And so this is midday, day one. Today is August the 6th, 2019. And I'm more than sure that I will be giving you another report later on. Oh, but I did want to say that so this morning, upon rising, as directed and suggested by Dr. Rakshak Lodha of Loda Cola, I did my nose. So I drank the urine, the fresh urine, through my nose. And then I had another Sister Roz that told me to bend my head on both sides after I've consumed it, consumed the urine up my nose. And then it releases all of that dried mucus, like in the corners or behind your eyes, and it's really good for correcting eye problems. And so I did that, and I also did a urine cup, and an eye cup, and the next time I'll make sure that I have that so that you can see me just washing my eyes out as well. So, okay, I think this, I don't know, I'm not going to even lie to you. But what I'm going to do is maybe tomorrow, which would be day two, I'll keep a number so that I can tell you how many I've released and how many I've drank during the day. But this is Sandy signing off. Water of life. Drink your own water, man, and be better, be healthier, and give your body what it needs, which is you. Love you.